Welcome students to my accounts class. Today I will continue with the adjustment of closing accounts. As I told you earlier that interest on capital will always be calculated on the opening capital, that is capital appearing on 1st April or at the beginning of the accounting year. There is one question on page 1.134 of the new book. Question number 60A, where it is given Mohan, Vijay and Anil are partners. Their capitals being rupees 30,000, 25,000 and 20,000 respectively. In arriving at these figures, the profits for the year ended 31st March 2018, rupees 24,000 has already been credited to the partners in the proportion in which they share profits. Their drawings were 5,000 Mohan, rupees 4,000 Vijay and rupees 3,000 Anil for the year ending 31st March 2018. Subsequently, the following omissions were noticed and it was decided to bring them into account. Interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest on drawings, Mohan rupees 250 rupees, Vijay rupees 200 and Anil rupees 150. Make the necessary journal entry. You have to pass a single journal entry and also prepare the capital accounts of the partners. Now if you observe in the above information is given that the capitals had arrived at the end of the year after adjustment of profits and drawings. So first we have to find the opening capital. If you recall, in class 11 we had done final accounts in balance sheet. Capital, add net profit, less drawings is to give you closing capital. So we have to first find opening capital by going in the reverse order. What we were adding we will subtract and what we were subtracting we will add. The formula for that is closing capital, add drawings, add additional capital, less profit will give you the opening capital. So we will solve this question by that method. Question number 60A. Calculation of opening capital. We will make three columns for the three partners. We have Mohan, Vijay, Anil in that order. Mohan, Vijay and Anil. We will begin with the closing capital, capital at the end of the year. We will use the word closing capital. Closing capital of Mohan is rupees 30,000, Vijay rupees 25,000 and Anil 20,000. If there are drawings, we will add them back. So there are drawings in the question, add drawings, and the drawings are given as Mohan 5,000, Vijay 4,000 and Anil 3,000. Add them. 35,000 is the capital now, 29,000 and 23,000. And the profits of 24,000 has already been created or added to the capitals. So we will subtract them. Less profits in the profit sharing ratio. Now in the question the ratio is not given, so it will be equal ratio, 1:1:1. So 24,000 divided by 3 gives you 8,000 each. The difference will come like this: 27,000 for Mohan, 21,000 for Vijay, and this will be 15,000. 15,000. Close this opening capital and you can find the interest on capital here only interest on capital at the rate is in the question as 10%. 2700, 2100 and 1500 respectively. Close the table completely. Now they have asked to pass single journal entry because interest on capital and interest on drawings was not recorded, not credited or debited in the capital account. So we'll make an adjustment entry for that like this. This we have done before. Adjustment table has been prepared in an earlier question. You must have practiced at home also. In the center, write adjustment table. There are 3 partners, so you will make 3 column partners plus total column. Beginning from this side, first we make the column. Draw a line for total. Anil, Vijay, Mohan. We have Mohan first partner, Vijay second partner, and Anil third partner, and the last column will be total column. Interest on capital not recorded, already ascertained above. 2700, 2100, 1500 gives a total of 6300. Less interest on drawings, which is already given in the question as Mohan 250, Vijay 200 and Anil 150 gives a total of 600. Now you subtract them. This is to be credited, this is to be debited. Now whichever is greater, we'll put the sign here. So you can see credit is more, so credit will come automatically. The difference is coming 2450 for Mohan. For Vijay it is coming 1900. For Anil 1350, and the difference is coming of rupees 5700. Now since this is the expense or loss to the firm which has to be borne by the partners, it will be in the profit ratio. Division of firm's loss of rupees 5700 in 1:1:1 ratio. This has to be debited in the capital account. Find the difference. It is divided equally, so 1900 will come. 5700 divided by 3, 1900 each. Find the difference. This will be 550 for Mohan credit, nil, and 550 for Anil debit.